Hello, as we begin this presentation, please note it is preferred that you view this session as a family due to the nature of the information and discussion questions offered throughout. Before we start, please press pause and follow the instructions on the slide to complete a brief survey. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. We are excited that you want to be involved in athletics, activities, and clubs at Waukesha West High School. I am Mr. Lemieux, and this is my 9th year at West, serving as Associate Principal Athletic Director. For those who are interested in clubs and activities, Dr. Burton serves as Associate Principal Activities Director. If you call or stop by the main office, you are sure to see the friendly face of Mrs. Jutel as she assists with all aspects of co-curriculars. We are fortunate to have athletic training services provided by Missy Hansen through Children's Wisconsin. Simply put, Missy is the best trainer in the state, and our students and families are lucky to have her. The goal of this presentation is to briefly present the information that is most important to a successful start at Waukesha West High School, and to better understand who we are and what we expect from you as students and parents. Waukesha West is a school of rich success and achievement in less than 30 years of existence. We enjoy winning, but the heart of what we do goes well beyond trophies, plaques, and banners. The mission of Waukesha West Athletics is all about transforming aspiring adults through athletics. Transformation is defined as a thorough or dramatic change in form or appearance over time. Our desire is that through our modeling of positivity, strong work ethic, and acting with absolute integrity in all we do, our student athletes will begin to adopt those same values for themselves and inspire others to do the same. Our goal is to place our students in adult-like opportunities while providing the support of coaches and mentors. Please take a moment to press pause and discuss as a family. Parents, which adult-like responsibilities are most important to you? Students, which adult-like responsibilities are you going to need support with? If you're going to be a Wolverine, there are a few important things to keep in mind. To participate in any practice or competition, you must have what we refer to as blue status. This indicates that you have completed our online registration process, you have a valid physical on file, all fees are paid, and you are academically eligible. If you have questions about the steps involved, please visit the registration tab of our website. Speaking of academic eligibility, remember you must carry a minimum of 2.0 GPA while also not posting a failing or incomplete grade in more than one class. Our goal is that you display the same level of grit, determination, and competitiveness in the classroom as you would in your athletic competition. Based on the work of Jeff Jansen, we strive to develop a championship culture within our athletic program. This is not solely based on winning and losing, but rather our culture is founded in our mindset about relationships and results. The ultimate goal is to foster family-like connections with a relentless desire to improve. Please take a moment to once again pause the presentation and select one question from each aspect of program culture. Students, please share your responses with your parents. It is important to understand that Waukesha West athletes are held to a higher standard. Accepting the privilege of participation ultimately means that you have more to lose in the case of a poor choice. In everything you do, work to exceed expectations and proactively protect your own eligibility. As our co-curricular code of conduct policy states, our hope is that your membership within a team or club at Waukesha West is one of many ways you can demonstrate respect for yourself, your family, and our school community. One of the most common misunderstandings about our conduct policy is that it only applies at certain times of the year. Please be clear that from the moment you begin your career as a Wolverine, our code of conduct is in full effect 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, whether you are in season or out of season. One of your primary responsibilities as a high school student is to regularly attend class and be on time. In order to participate in any event after school, a student must be in attendance for the entire school day. Even an excused absence renders you ineligible unless cleared with the athletic office. On practice days, attendance for the final 50% is required, and certainly the expectation of being in every class continues. Unfortunately, there are times when poor choices are made, and we need to follow our investigation process. This will include inviting the student to the office and making them aware that information exists that could lead to a potential code of conduct violation. Students are then given the opportunity to share their side of the story, parents are notified, and finally, the athletic director must determine whether or not a violation has occurred. If a violation is issued, standard appeal processes exist, similar to all school suspensions. Violations for student athletes will use the following progression for suspension length. A first violation includes a suspension from up to 20% of the next sports season. A second violation requires a suspension from 50% of the next season's contests. A third suspension will result in that athlete being suspended for a full calendar year, and a fourth suspension would end the athletic career of the offender. All suspensions must be served immediately or as soon as possible within the next sports season for the student. In order for the suspension to remain valid, the athlete must complete the season in good standing, which includes finishing the full length of the season while remaining eligible. Due to the unique nature of activities, the scale of consequences differs. If a student only participating in clubs and activities violates our code of conduct, the advisor and activities director will jointly determine how to most appropriately apply a consequence. This could be as simple as extra duty within the activity or a complete removal from the activity or club. Our policy is specific to note that if a student is participating in both athletics and activities, the consequence of the violation will be applied in the athletic area. Please be aware that if our investigation finds that you were responsible for organizing a gathering or situation where the promotion of poor behavior occurred, you will face a potential doubling of your penalty. As is the case with all suspensions issued, an appeals process exists, including a written notice that must be delivered to the building principal within 7 days. The intent of our code of conduct is to promote what we value. When students make poor choices, the ability to be honest and own your mistakes is a skill and value that we want to encourage at West High School. If a student self-reports within 72 hours of an incident and provides a full and complete written statement as requested in the investigation, the athletic director is able to reduce the original 20% penalty. Continuing with the theme of honesty, if found to be untruthful during the course of an investigation, students could face a doubling of their original penalty. While taking part in the investigative process, the expectation is absolute cooperation. This can be an awkward and emotional time, but our goal is to reveal the truth, work through the consequences, and move forward. Please take a moment to pause the presentation and discuss further. Students, have you ever had to admit that you were wrong during an emotional or intense conversation with an adult? If so, how did it go? If not, what concerns you most? Parents, what advice do you have for your children so that if faced with this situation, they are more likely to be truthful and take ownership? Over the past few years, we have seen a significant increase in vaping among students. In fact, more than half of our athletic code violations issued have been the result of vaping. Students are unfortunately led to believe that vaping is not as harmful as other drugs or substances. This is far from the truth, and we have many sad examples of the impact that vaping can have on young adolescents and families. Beyond vaping, social media missteps can create significant issues for student athletes. We live in a culture where everyone feels it is necessary to post on any and all topics, and often feel licensed to post messages they would never dare to say in person. Please think before you post. Allow your parents to be part of the conversation so that they may help you avoid saying or posting messages that you will regret. Remember, everything you say online is a representation of yourself, your family, and now Waukesha West. Every time you post, you are adding to a living, breathing resume. Please take a moment to pause the presentation and discuss together. Explain to your parents when you are most tempted to make choices or say something online that, while you know are not appropriate, students you still consider going through with it. Parents, which situations socially or online give you the most concern for your child? How would you like to work with your child to avoid or escape these situations? Waukesha West is fortunate to have many supportive and invested parents. Allow me to provide a few pieces of advice to help your family have a positive experience with high school athletics. Consistent communication is key. Please do not hesitate to be in touch with teachers, counselors, and other academic resources. If you do not know already, please be sure you can access Infinite Campus to routinely check your students' grades and attendance records. Parents, the way you model behavior has a dramatic impact at our events and is keenly observed by our athletes and fans. Studies found that as high as 90% of unsportsmanlike behavior at events is displayed by adults, and mostly by the parents of student athletes. Please do your part to demonstrate self-control, perspective, and Waukesha West pride. Remember, you as parents now represent our school as well. As you are navigating the interesting waters of parenting a student athlete, I would also encourage you to visit the resources page of westwolverines.com to access our Waukesha West Athletics Parent Guide. This document includes information about how we approach conflict resolution, playing time, and other important topics to help your family through Waukesha West Athletics. A few final tips to consider. Playing time is not an issue we discuss with parents. This is a great opportunity for the athlete to take initiative, so if questions or issues come up, the expectation is that the athlete arranges a conversation with the coach. As coaches, our goal is to provide continuous feedback and an honest assessment of performance and improvement opportunities. Please do not speak poorly about our coaches in front of your children. As student athletes, this tension can put your student in an uncomfortable position of not knowing who to honor, leaving them stuck in the middle. The culture we aim to create as a collective athletic and activities department can start at your dinner table. To help stay connected, please refer to our Twitter handle @WolverinesPride. Online, we would also encourage you to visit the athletics website at westwolverines.com. Here you will find team pages, our registration process, and our newly created game day tab with streaming information, rosters, and sport-by-sport protocols. We wish you a great school year and hope that you enjoy your experience as a Wolverine. Now that you have completed this presentation, please be sure to fill out the Freshman New Student Orientation Sign-Off form to receive credit for viewing this meeting. Thanks, and go West!